Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows license expire soon in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that you have to click on yes. Now you will get this command prompt window. Now you have to put some command over there. It's called slmgr space minus rearm and then press enter from your keyboard. Now you have to restart your computer. So after restart your computer, you have to open your run dialog box, just pressing Windows and R button together, and after that type over there services.msc. Now press enter from your keyboard, and after that you have to find over there Windows License Manager. Here's a Windows License Manager service. So you have to right click on Windows License Manager service and go to the properties. Now you have to disable this Windows License Manager, and after that click on apply and then OK. Now you have to click on stop button from the left side corner, and now you're done. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.